Okay, so we're gonna unbox the Apple Watch. First thing that's really strange about this is the fact that it's so long. Why is this box so long? I don't understand. But let's find out. So I have this really cool tool. It's called my nail, and I'm just gonna get the plastic apart using that. Looking foolish on the internet. That's, I guess, not too hard to do nowadays. Okay, so that's all set. Here we go. Haha. Okay. What do we have here? Is this a case for it? Is that why this is so long? Crazy. Okay, so we have a case. Then we have more crap. Let's just cut right to the chase here, huh? Cool tab. Pulled. Oh yeah. So that's a case. Obviously, it's very reminiscent to the headphone case. It looks really similar in style and design. And when we open that up, there it is, the watch. So I got the Sport. I got it with the white band, and I got the 42-inch model. Before we do any more with this, let's see what else we got in here. So we have, this thing takes the small adapter, no surprise there, and the really cool power adapter. Neat. Okay, it's wrapped well too. Cool. All right, so let's turn this bad boy on and see what happens. One, two, three. That's how this works. Here we go. I suppose I should take this crap off, huh? There it is. I guess I'll put it on. The band feels like plastic. It's nice and thick. Apparently you just press there and then slide this up inside. There we go. Feels comfortable enough. Still loading, though. That's basically it. I feel like if it's just going to stay loading here. Oh, here we go. I'm probably going to have to stop this soon because we're shooting with the same thing we have to pair it to. But that's the unboxing. So, woohoo, unboxing done. Go buy your own.